Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can create Devin AI account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for devin.ai. After that, you will be redirected to the website homepage. Now, in order to register a new account, click on this Request Access button and a pop-up window will appear. After that, you will be prompted to enter email address, reason for using Devin, and type in something about yourself. Simply type everything in, and once you are done with it, click on the Request Access button. Now, you will receive an email whenever your request is approved. So that's basically how you can create Devin AI account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.